Hey, folks, this is Traders Talk. My name is Gareth Soloway from InTheMoneyStocks.com, and I'm here to discuss Bitcoin today. Bitcoin getting absolutely annihilated, especially over the last few days. It is now at a point where I am buying it. Now, I'm not buying it for a long-term trade. I'm buying it for a swing trade, which usually is weeks to a few months. I do think from this 33,000-ish to 33,500 level, you could see a move back north of 40,000 before potentially seeing more downside. In terms of percentages, you're looking at least at a 20% upside move, maybe as much as 25 to 30% of upside action. I'm a technical trader, so we're going to take a look at the charts here and discuss exactly why I'm seeing this in the charts. All right, so here's the chart of Bitcoin, folks. You can see the massive decline since the November highs. What I want us to do is take the high from April connected to the all-time high up here, right? So we see this is a major, major trend line. Now, what we want to do is we want to lower the trend line all the way down to the lowest point after the April high right here. And what you see is, look at that. This is the level we're coming into. So again, if you take the April high to the lowest point here on the decline before it ran up and made a new all-time high, this distance here is exactly to a T the distance from the recent all-time high, which was higher than the April high, to the low currently. All right, so that's just one factor. I want to show you one more thing that has me very, very, very excited here, folks. And what we're going to do is we're going to get a regular trend line, and we're going to zoom out to the 2017 high. Now, the 2017 high was the last time you had a major, major collapse in Bitcoin. You went from 20,000 down to about 3,500. What I want us to do is connect this trend line and take it through these recent lows, right? So what you see here is you're coming through pivot here, pierced it here briefly, pierced it here, and you're almost right to that level. It's just below 33,000. So when you have two intersecting levels on the chart, when there's two major levels that are right by each other, folks, this is where you're likely to see a short-term bounce. So again, I am a buyer on this. Again, it's not a long-term trade. I'm not going to hold for years at this point. I think it's ultimately going to go lower, but is there money to be made on an oversold bounce here? In my opinion, absolutely. Again, this is Gareth Soloway for Trader Talk. Take care.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.